Chapter 11, Lesson 2 discusses health insurance benefits. We're going to find the total amount paid by the patient by adding up the patient's deductible, co-payments, co-insurance amount, and hospital charges. In example 1, Brooke Collodi is single and has a health insurance plan with the benefits shown below. After meeting her $1,000 deductible, her recent network health care costs include co-payments for 8 physician visits and 9 specialist visits. Following hospital surgery, she made co-payments for 12 physical therapy visits at $85 each, and she had 4 co-payments at her local pharmacy for 3 generic drugs and 1 brand name drug. Her hospital admission charge was $200, and her hospital bill was $34,560. What amount did she pay? The first thing you need to remember is that the patient pays 10% of the hospital charges, but they pay 100% of the admission charge. So we're going to use our chart and determine all of her totals. The first thing we want to do is determine her deductible. This is the amount she must pay before the insurance starts to pay. From our problem, we see that she had a $100 deductible right here. I'm sorry, $1,000 deductible. The second thing we need to do is find the costs of the co-payments. Co-payments are charges that are due at the time of service. So, she had 8 physician visits and 9 specialist visits, as well as 12 physical therapy visits at $85 each, 4 co-payments at her local pharmacy, 3 were for generic drugs and 1 brand name drug. Okay. So we know she's single, so that means, and she has network health care. So single network, her deductible was $1,000. For her co-insurance and co-payment, she's going to pay $20 for the physician, $30 for the specialist, and 20% of each physical therapy visit. Then for her pharmacy, she's going to pay $10 for generics and $20 for brand name. So as we write this all out, we're going to have 8 $20 copays for the physician visits, plus 9 $30 visits, oops, let's try that again. $9 $30 visits, which were her specialist visits. She's also going to have 12 physical therapy visits, and she paid 20%, $85. Then her pharmacy, she had 3 $10 copays and 1 $20 copay. This gives us 160 plus 270 plus 204 plus 30 plus 20 gives us a total for her copays of $684. The third thing is we're going to find the hospital co-insurance charges. So for the hospital, she has a $200 admission, and her bill is $34,560, and she pays 10%. So find the hospital co-insurance charges. So she's going to pay her full $200 admission fee. Then she's going to pay 10% of her hospital bill, which was $34,560. Gives us total hospital coinsurance charges of $3,656. The final thing we're going to do is find the total amount paid. To find the total amount paid, we have to add everything up. Just like we did in our formula, we're going to add the deductible, co-payments, co-insurance, and hospital. Okay, so we have the deductible, plus the co-payments, which were $684, plus her hospital charges, $3,656, gives us a total amount of $5,340.